Welcome to Beautyistic. Have you ever tried flossing but felt like something was missing? Maybe regular floss just doesn't do the job when it comes to tight or hard-to-reach spaces between your teeth. Well, today, I'm introducing a solution that could change the way you think about interdental cleaning: the GUM Proxabrush Go-Betweens extra-wide interdental brushes. This is a product designed to give you a deeper clean and make those hard-to-reach spaces a lot easier to manage. If you're tired of struggling with floss or looking for an alternative, this might be what you've been waiting for. But before we dive into the details, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more reviews that can help level up your beauty and wellness routine. Let's take a closer look at these GUM Proxabrush Go-Betweens. These interdental brushes are specifically designed to help you clean between your teeth, especially in those narrow spaces where regular brushing might miss the mark. The extra-wide bristles on these brushes make it easier to reach between tighter teeth, ensuring plaque is removed from places that floss alone can't reach. The soft bristles are gentle on your gums and effective at scrubbing away any lingering plaque, leaving your mouth feeling clean and fresh. The GUM Extra-Wide Proxabrush is compact, so it's perfect for on-the-go use. Whether you're carrying it in your purse or your travel kit, you can quickly freshen up anywhere. The floss picks come with a protective cap to keep the bristles hygienic, and they're treated with a special solution that allows for up to 10 days of use per pick. So you don't have to worry about carrying a ton of disposable floss picks. It's also worth noting that these are specifically ideal for people with braces or other dental appliances. The nylon-coated wire means it's gentle enough to clean around your braces, fixtures, and even implants without worrying about scratches or other damage to your dental work. After using these brushes, I can tell you firsthand that they make a noticeable difference in my routine. They fit easily between my teeth, and the extra-wide bristles manage to clean areas I usually miss with traditional floss. The fact that they're reusable is also a huge plus: less waste, which makes me feel better about my overall impact. They glide smoothly, and there's no awkward tugging or discomfort. I also tested them during my morning and evening routines, and they were just as effective at keeping my teeth feeling clean and free of plaque. Now let's get into the pros and cons. The pros? Well, these brushes are super effective at removing plaque and cleaning between teeth, even in those really tight spots. They're compact, reusable, and come with a hygienic cap, making them great for traveling. Plus, they're safe for use with braces, implants, and other dental devices, which is a huge bonus for anyone with dental work. As for the cons, while they work great for most people, if you have very large gaps between your teeth, you might find these a bit too small. They're designed for narrower spaces, so they may not be the right fit for everyone. When it comes to value for money, I'd say these brushes are worth the price, especially when you consider their performance. You're getting 36 picks, and each one can be reused for up to 10 days. That's a lot of cleaning power for the price. Compared to disposable floss picks that you need to replace constantly, these are more sustainable and cost-effective in the long run. If you're on the lookout for similar products, there are other brands that offer interdental brushes, but I find that GUM's design and usability make it stand out. The wide bristles are a feature not all brands provide, and the reusable nature is a huge plus when compared to the endless cycle of single-use floss picks. As for build quality, I was really impressed with how sturdy the picks feel, especially considering their compact size. The bristles hold up well over multiple uses, and the hygienic cap keeps everything in good condition. So would I recommend these GUM Proxabrush Go-Betweens? Absolutely. If you're looking for a better way to clean between your teeth, these brushes offer a deeper clean than traditional floss, especially for tight spaces and dental appliances. They're easy to use, compact, and durable, making them a solid investment for your oral hygiene routine. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this, and if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to share your thoughts if you've already tried these brushes. Have you found a game-changing interdental brush? Let us know in the comments. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.